Loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got this very cute, very simple, beginner friendly bronzy look. You guys, I am obsessed with this look right here, and I don't know, I'm starting to think this like my signature look or something, because baby, yes, I love it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look and all the steps that I went through and all the products that I used, then definitely continue watching. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, honestly, I'm tired of going over this in every video. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. Subscribe. I am putting out content out there that is very helpful to you guys. So subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn your notification bells on so that you can get an alert every time I post a video. Also, leave a thumbs up for this video and leave some comments down below. I do love to respond to you guys and communicate through there. So definitely leave a comment down below. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. So my eyebrows are already done. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and just carved out my eyebrows with some concealer. And now I'm going to jump into my eye primer. And I'm going to use the P. Louise Base in Rumor 3 and the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 330. And I'm just going to apply this on my eyelids. I'm just doing a few swipes. This is the Fenty, the P. Louise, just a little bit. At first, I'm gonna go in with a flat brush, and I'm just going to pat the concealer in. Y'all, my phone loves to go off when I am recording. That is so rude. Okay, guys, honestly, I have no idea what type of eye look I'm going to do. But I know that it has to be festive because of the holidays. So I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush as well and just pat the concealer in and blend everything out. I really don't know what look I'm going to do, but I think I want to like focus on like the browns and the shimmeries. So I think that's what we're going to do today. Don't really have a specific look in mind, but we're going to make something up as we go along. I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, the Masquerade palette. So I'm going to go in Burkina, which is this brown right here. It's very soft, but it's there. And what I'm going to do is pack this color in my crease area. And I'm not going to dip into too much shades because I really want this look to be very easy for my beginners. So what I'm doing is just using circular blending motions. Now, I feel like when we use blending motions, it makes the color blend in so much easier rather than just swiping back and forth. Unless you're deepening up your crease, then I would recommend to do that. But right now, we're just packing the color on and just blending it out so that we have like a very even canvas to work with. So next, I'm going to go into the deeper, darker brown, which is called Zulu, which is this right here. And I'm also going to mix it with some of, what is this? Fulani. Okay, it's not really popping up. So I'm going to just dip into the Fulani shade. That's not really popping up either. So what I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3502. And I think I'm just going to stick to this palette. So for the first transition shade, you can actually go in with this shade first. And then I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade to deepen up everything. These two. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my original brush that we used for the first color. And I'm just going to blend everything together. So that color that we use to deepen up our crease is just going to add some dimension to our eyelids so that we can smoke it out. Okay, and then we can go back with that brown again and deepen it up some more, and you can actually pat the color on Then go back in and blend out that top line so that it nicely and evenly fades into everything else. Okay, so next I'm going in with this shade right here, and we're going to apply this over top of everything. Okay, and then we're going to go back in with that brown. I'm going to go in with the LUVS base again, just a little bit. And we are going to take that same flat brush that we used to blend it out, and we're just going to pat this on our eye. And the way I'm doing it, I'm starting in the inner corner and kind of just framing my crease, but not really. So that right there was a little tip of mine. If you are a beginner and you don't really know how to do a cut crease, just get a big curved brush and just pat, literally just pat and frame. That's all. Instead of getting a smaller brush and actually trying to carve it out, just pat. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go in with a shimmery shade, and I'm gonna dip into the other Juvia's Place palette, the Saharan. And I'm going to dip into Senegal, which is this very nice golden shade. And I'm just going to dust this color over the concealer. And what I'm doing, I'm just taking the tip of the brush and I'm going over the line on top because I really want that glitter to look like it's faded in instead of just like a deep and harsh cut crease. Dipping back into the Morphe palette, I'm going back in with that brown that we used. And I'm just going to apply this to the outer corners of the glittery part. And I'm just going to smudge that brown in so it doesn't look so crazy. So with this look, you could definitely leave it like this and just put lashes on, or you can add a wing. And I think I'm going to add a wing to this look for sure. So for liner, I'm going to go in with the NYX matte liner. Now for my wing, I'm going to do like a half wing liner. So it's not going to be like an actual wing. I'm just going to draw it and kind of stop where it gets dark with the eyeshadow. And then I'm going in with just a little bit of some black eyeshadow just to blend out that eyeliner a bit better. Because I don't want it to be predominantly black. I still want that brown to kind of come through. Now for mascara, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Push Up Drama. Just going to apply a thin layer of this to our eyelashes. And then we're going to go ahead and pop our lashes on. Alright love, so this eye is done. I'm going to go ahead, finish up this eye, and I'll be right back. This eye is now done, and now we're going to jump onto our face, the important part as well. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer. That was a mouthful, but love this stuff. Bomb, okay? I think I'm gonna, okay, so for primer as well, I'm gonna go in with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. I've seen so much good things about this and I wanted to try it. Definitely got the travel size because this thing right here is expensive, even the travel size. So gonna try this out. This is a skin enhancing antioxidant serum. Okay. It smells really good. Dip into this Sephora bag because I have so much makeup in here and I haven't been doing my makeup a lot, so I need to use these products that I spent my money on. All right, I think today I'm gonna go ahead and try my Huda Beauty foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty foundation. This is in the shade Toffee 420. I feel like whatever foundation I get, I'm just always gonna be toffee, which works for me. This is my first time using this. Heard a lot of good stuff about this as well. And I'm gonna use 2 pumps. Probably did not need that much. Looking a little bit too light. I ain't gonna lie, this kind of smells like perfume. I don't know how I feel about that. This is definitely not my shade. I don't know if it oxidizes, but I'm just gonna go in with a makeup wipe and wipe this off. That is not my shade. So I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place foundation instead. So that is so much better. This is a match. Yeah, I love this foundation. I just wanted to try something new, so I'm definitely gonna have to get a different shade in that. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty concealer and my Tarte Shape Tape because I love this stuff. And I'm gonna go in with my sponge and we're gonna blend this all out. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape. And now for cream contour, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer and just apply this to the hollows of my cheeks. And I am going to take the excess and just drag it on the sides of my nose. Okay, so I have been doing something completely different for setting my face. So what I've been doing was setting my face with the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder and then baking with my Milk Makeup. So the Milk Makeup has like a tinted yellow shade and the Airspun has more so of a whitish pinkish shade. Now, when I use these two, neither of them give me flashback, which is exactly what I want, okay? So I'm using my beauty sponge to do this. Okay, so now we're going to jump back to the eyes and we're going to finish up our eyes before we do anything else. So I am going to go in with some eyeliner in my waterline. And then we're going to go in with that brown and smoke out our lower lash line. Okay, and then dipping into that orange shade as well. Now for our lower lash line, we're going to go in with the same mascara that we used before. Okay, so our eyes are done and now we're going to dust off this excess powder that we have on our face. I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Now this tan shade is what I'm going to use. I'm going to dip into this and dust away the powder so that it's not fully white. Okay, and now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and set our contour. And I'm going to go in with the same contour shade and I'm just going to contour the sides of my nose. I'm going to go back in with the Too Faced Replenishing Spray. Now that our face is dry, we're going to go in with some blush. I'm going in with the ColourPop. This is their Super Shock Chic Matte blush in the shade Over Dramatic. Now I'm going to go in with highlight. For highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm going to apply this highlight to the high points of our cheeks. And now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, and now for lips, I'm using a brown lip liner. I'm just gonna outline my lips. Okay, and next I have two lip glosses that I have yet to try. They're both from ColourPop. This golden one is from the Bretman Rock and ColourPop collab. So I think I'm going to use this because it matches nicely with my eyes. But I am going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie first. And then I'll go in with this golden shade on top. Oh my god, I love when lip gloss has this brush on it. Oh, yes. Oh my god, you guys, I think this is going to now be my favorite lip combo because this is so pretty. Wow. Love this. Alright guys, so basically the look is finished. All I did was deepen up my moles, did my hair, and this is the completed look. I actually really love this bronzy look. I feel like it's very holiday-ish and really very fallish as well, and I feel like you can wear this look almost with anything really because the gold just complements everything, and I really love the way that this turned out. So if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys like this look, then leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you did enjoy this video, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel so that I can be motivated to post more. Leave a comment down below, check the description box for any additional information, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Before we go, today's motivational quote is, you don't have to understand how God will accomplish his plans. All he asks is that you surrender your will to his and trust his plan. Okay, and that is a word, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you loves in my next one. Bye.